National Executive Committee meeting of the BJP senior party leaders lauded the efforts of Prime Minister Modi, they say, for achieving a major milestone of India administering more than 100 crore COVID-19 vaccines. This as the BJP's top body met with an eye on the upcoming state polls. The BJP strategy for these upcoming assembly polls in 5 states came up for extensive discussion in the party's key organizational body meet for the first time following the COVID-19 outbreak.
गोवा, उत्तराखंड, मणिपुर और उत्तर प्रदेश के पार्टी के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष और मुख्यमंत्रियों के द्वारा आने वाले समय में भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव के संबंध में पूरा विषय रखा गया। राज्य सरकारों के द्वारा जो 5 साल में अभूतपूर्व कार्य किए गए हैं उनका व्रत मुख्यमंत्रियों के द्वारा रखा गया। पंजाब के पार्टी के प्रदेश अध्यक्ष जी के द्वारा आने वाले समय में भारतीय जनता पार्टी पंजाब में सभी सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ेगी, इस तैयारी के साथ सारे विषयों को वहां पर रखा गया।
India's image abroad has been established through the way in which the vaccination program has been run in this country. There were calls within this country of opposition parties which only brought in element of suspicion about the vaccine. We have achieved a scheme or a project which was started only in March, by October could reach 100 crores. So that was in elaborate explained. मुख्यतः जो आप लोग आपके कॉलम्स में मीडिया में लगातार लिख के आ रहे हैं, आने वाले चुनाव के राज्यों के ऊपर विस्तार से जरूर चर्चा हुआ।
And Akshay Dongre has been monitoring that meeting. He now joins us. Akshay, of course, this National Executive meeting coming at a time on the heels, really, of those recent by-poll results and also to decide the strategy for the assembly polls in the upcoming 7 states next year. But it seems clear that the fact that India has administered 1 crore COVID vaccines, that's going to be the key main push of the party as they go into all of these assembly polls.
Today's National Executive Committee meeting was extremely important as far as the Bharatiya Janata Party's upcoming strategy in the 5 upcoming elections in 5 states are concerned. Clearly, the Bharatiya Janata Party has seen certain setback as far as the recent by-polls are concerned in the state of Himachal Pradesh and West Bengal. The party was decimated by the Trinamool Congress in West Bengal, and the BJP has suffered defeats in the state of Himachal, which also has elections up in the next year. The Bharatiya Janata Party certainly is going to go to the upcoming polls with certain promises, with certain work that they think that they have done in this tenure. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, from senior leaders from Prime Minister Narendra Modi to party chief JP Nadda were present in this National Executive meeting. This was a hybrid meeting because not all chief ministers were present here, not all regional leaders were also present here, but everyone was present through virtual means. So all who could not come in person, they had to attend through virtual means. Every chief minister put forth their point as far as the loopholes that they think in the system is concerned, the thing that they think can be improved upon, especially in the 5 upcoming states as far as the polls are concerned. The most important agenda for this National Executive meeting, certainly this happening after a long time, ever since the outbreak of COVID-19, is also because there are elections in 5 states. All of these 5 states are crucial for the Bharatiya Janata Party. Only one chief minister attended the National Executive meet in person. That was Yogi Adityanath, the chief minister of Uttar Pradesh. Clearly because it is one of the most important states for the BJP. Rest all the chief ministers who put forth their points and concerns joined through virtual means. The reason that Bharatiya Janata Party wanted to hold this kind of a meeting was also to reflect upon the work that they have done in this entire 2 years phase. We have seen a pandemic. There was handling of the pandemic by BJP-led central government. So what exactly can be shown to people? How the BJP can do campaigning next year in these states. That was one of the most important point. Then certainly attacking opposition party leaders were also part of this meeting, and the speeches that we have seen given by the senior party leaders also had that element to it. As far as the upcoming elections are concerned, there is one thing very, very clear, that the BJP will be going ahead with the work that they have done during the pandemic. Now, two very important things in the work that they have done. First is certainly the 100 crore vaccination that the government, that India has administered. As far as coverage is concerned, by the election time, the coverage certainly will increase, so that will have a bonus to it. The second thing is, during the entire lockdown phase, the pandemic phase, the distribution of ration that has been done by the government, that is also one of the most important thing. Second part is the point of inflation. The BJP will be going on offensive as far as the cutting down of VAT is concerned. The BJP-led governments in several states have cut down on VAT. Only Punjab has cut down on VAT as far as the opposition is concerned. So if other opposition leaders do not follow the suit, if they do not cut on the VAT on the petrol and diesel, then the Bharatiya Janata Party certainly can go to the polls stating that while the opposition was crying wolf over the high prices of petrol and diesel, when it came to action, they took a step back. There was also an offensive tone as far as the BJP leaders are concerned, certainly questioning the work of the opposition leaders during the pandemic. They have stated, in fact, Yogi Adityanath has put forth a political resolution among the 18 that were put forth today, and questions were raised as far as the presence of opposition leaders is concerned during the pandemic phase. So Union Minister Bhupendra Yadav did in fact mention that the opposition leaders who are now questioning the government, where exactly were they when the pandemic was there. So yes, there is going to be an entire cocktail as far as the issues are concerned for the upcoming elections, because the BJP has realized that if it does not get these 5 elections right next year, because of the setback, they have realized that the road to 2024 is going to be extremely difficult. So BJP is all gearing up, and in the upcoming days there will be more attacks on the opposition, more offensive tone as far as the BJP leaders are concerned.